Hello friends, in this video we will be doing the unboxing and review of Apple Magic Keyboard, which is international one. I am going to review on this particular session. And you can see the packing always really nice in Apple, and it feels a little bit heavy also. So in the back of this particular product, you can see when it is manufactured it's around March 2023, which is the latest model. And there is a picture view of small view is also provided here actually. Okay, so there is a magic keyboard and with the numeric pad actually. So numeric pad is very important. So you can see that the 1, 2, 3 and all. So for some people it is very comfortable if you are doing the work or something. And this is if you are buying the magic keyboard, I will suggest to buy the magic mouse also. So the Apple ecosystem will be very nice. So anyway, I'm using Mac Mini. So let's unbox it and see. And these things are I have provided in the video description. If you want to purchase, you can go ahead and buy from there actually. So the first thing first, let's open it. So there is a polythene bag is there. So let me cut it. Oh. So for this here I am using a Swiss Army knife. If you want it, in the video description you can find this also. I found this is quite useful in many purposes. So let's remove the polythene, and you can see an Apple branding logo is provided here also. Wow, it feels really nice. Okay, so after you do that, I think you have to just slide this thing out. Wow, it feels really nice. And you can see this is just like a very less thickness paper thing, so we can just ignore it. And for lifting is this up, so this is the entire keyboard. You can it is visible in the video. So there is a thing provided so you can lift it up easily. Wow, it's quite lightweight. Before going to this thing, let's see what are the things inside this particular stuff. So if we go ahead and see, we can see there is a documentation provided. So you can see like how to quick start and all those stuff. I'm not going to remove it. So you know, with all the product, it will be coming. So better you read this particular stuff. You can have all the details from this particular documentation. So there is a lightning cable. So what you can do that, you can just connect this lightning cable and charge through your iMac or Mac Mini or whatever adapter. You can charge it through here. So like I think almost 2 hours it will take. So you can check the specifications in the video description. I have providing that. So you can plug it and also work, as well as you can charge it and work. So there's a lithium ion battery inside. Okay, so if you see from the side, you can see it is very smooth and very lightweight also. Inside also it is kind of a tapered surface finish. I think aluminum is provided. And in back side you can see that a nice, there are some plastic blocks are given. So I can just remove this stuff. This again there is a coating, see, and you can see the Apple logo here, which is very light. Okay, so I'll better keep this. Let me remove this. This looks great actually. It's quite shiny and very compact side, and this is a side for turning on. You can see that there is a small thing. So if I slide it here, slide to right, so you can see it's green, so it is literally turned on. Okay, so you can pair easily this directly to your Bluetooth through go to the system settings, Bluetooth, and add the keyboard. Otherwise you connect directly with your thing with this particular stuff, the lightning cable. It also get paired actually. So if you look the like keys, they are quite brighter, and that particular stroke also you can feel it. So it's quite satisfying, but not so loud also. So it's kind of a silent feature also it's giving actually. So of course it gives a better pleasure of typing actually. So you can see, yeah, it feels so good. So literally there is a feedback mechanism you can feel while you typing this. So this always, and this is an English keyboard, so you can see that QWERTY type, so you can select accordingly. The command bars are there. This is the numpad also provided here, so which is very useful like you are doing like some calculation or something. Otherwise you have to go again and do that, and this is almost covers your finger area. That's perfectly fine. There are some multimedia buttons are there for the brightness, skipping the videos and sounds and all. You can quickly control it actually. Overall I feel like it's a quite awesome keyboard, but you have to combine this with a Magic Mouse and Mac Mini or whatever your system you're using, an iMac or something. It's a perfect combination, which I can tell you actually. If you want to purchase this thing, in the video description I have provided that. Please go through that. And If you have any doubts or questions, please comment on the comment box. We will further discuss on that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.